Hello students. Today we are going to see about the BCG matrix. Now under which BCG matrix comes. So we know that the corporate portfolio analysis which is one of the technique that helps strategists in taking the strategic decisions, particularly with regard to individual products or businesses in a firm's portfolio. So generally it is primarily used for the competitive analysis and corporate strategic planning. How it is done we have seen, and how the multi-product and multi-business firms are there and they want to take out the decision. So the main advantage in adopting the portfolio approach is in a multi-product multi-business firm, that is resources, how the resources could be channelized at corporate level to those businesses that possess the greatest potential. And for this there are number of techniques that could be considered as the corporate portfolio analysis techniques, and the most popular one of the technique is the BCG matrix. So today we are going to see about the BCG matrix in this session. Now BCG stands for Boston Consulting Group. Now according to this, the Boston Consulting Group model was developed by Bruce Henderson of the Boston Consulting Group in the early 1970s. And according to this technique, business or products are classified as low or high performance depending upon their market growth rate and relative market share. Now, here every business is placed under one of the categories which are bifurcated in the 2 by 2 matrix. And so how to calculate the relative market share and market growth, that is the main gist. So firstly, to understand this matrix you need to understand how market share and market growth are interrelated. Now whenever we ask, we'll come to know from the how the share of market is to be calculated. So market share is what? It is the percentage of the total market that is being serviced by your company, measured either in the revenue terms or unit volume, means how the sales are there. So relative market share, how it is calculated? So business unit sales in this year particularly and divided by leading rival sales this year. So the higher your market share, the higher the proportion of the market you control. This is the relative market share needed to be calculation for the BCG matrix. So the BCG matrix growth share is how it is calculated. Now here the four categories are there. One is question mark, the other is star, the third is cash cows, and the dog. Now the x-axis which is there, which measures industry growth rate and market growth, and the relevant market share of the y-axis. So how the share and growth is there, one is market growth and the other is market share. So the BCG views the industry growth rate as an indicator of relative industry attractiveness and relative market share as an indicator of the relative competitive position of a business unit within the given industry. Now when it is share, my market share, the primary strategy variable which is important is the experience curve, because the cost per unit after adjusting the inflation or the decreases with the number of units produced. So the market share leader will have the greatest accumulated production experience, and therefore the lowest cost and higher profitability in the industry. So how it can be predicted or how it can be seen? So here the four criteria are given how the market share is to be calculated or seen. So one is question marks, other is stars, dogs, cash cows. Now the experience curve is a powerful analytical tool if you want to do, and it has some of the limitations too. So higher market share, high market accumulated experience, and lower unit cost, higher the profitability. So here you can see low market share and high market growth. Don't know what to do with opportunities, decide whether to increase the investment, here the question marks comes. Then high market share and high market growth, so you are doing well and you have great opportunities, so the stars are there. Dogs, here low market share and low market growth is there, so you are weak in market and difficult to make profit, that's why it is considered as the dog. And the cash cows, high market share and low market growth, doing well in no growth market with limited opportunities. So these are the which are considered for the BCG's matrix. So it is what it is, portfolio planning model, which is based on the observation that the company's business unit can be classified into four groups as we have seen, and it is based on the combination of market growth and market share relative to the next competitor. This is very important factor. So what is there? So first is sales, then there are four indicators. Firstly introduction, then growth, then maturity and decline. So whenever you are saying question marks, you want to take out the decision that yes, whether I should go for further production. So that here in introduction level you have the question mark, then growth, at that time you have the stars, then maturity, you have the maturity, at that you have cash cows, and then whenever we are saying decline, there are dogs. So less market share and the probability of growth is less. So this is the BCG matrix, and the question marks, problems, children's, high growth, low market share is the main factor whenever question mark is there. So most of the business starts as the question marks. They will absorb great amount of cash if the market share remains unchanged. Question marks have potential to become the star and evenly cash cows, but can also become dog. You don't know whenever you are doing the introductory entry in the product for the any product, new product. Investment should be high for question marks. So this is question mark. Then comes the stars. High growth rate, high market share. You have to remember this. The stars are the leaders in the business. They require heavy investment to maintain its market share. It leads to large amount of cash consumption and cash generation, and attempts should be made to hold the market share. Here it is very important because if you are not able to maintain your market share, you are having high growth, high market share, there are chances of becoming cash. So this should not happen. Then cash cows are there, low growth rate and high market share is there. So they are the foundation of the company and often the stars of yesterday. But what happened? They generate more cash than required, and they extract the profits by investing as little cash as possible. They are located in an industry that is mature, not growing or declining. So they are said as goods. And then comes the dogs. So dogs are the cash traps. Dogs do not have potential to bring the growth. High cost is there and low quality is there. So business is situated at the declining stage. And so this is is considered as dogs in this BCG matrix. So why this BCG matrix is there? So to assess the profile of the product or business, cash demands of the product and the development cycle of the product, or the resource allocation and disinvestment decisions. So these are the decisions you want to take, and for this you are utilizing the BCG matrix method for the analysis. So what are the main steps in this? Identifying and dividing a company into SBU, that is small business units. Then assessing and comparing the prospects of each SBU according to two criteria: SBU relative market share and growth rate, and classifying these business units on the basis of business BCG matrix. So developing strategies about the objective is the objective of the business. How to do this, that is given under the BCG matrix. So what are the benefits of this? That BCG matrix is simple and easy to understand. Then it helps to quickly and simply screen the opportunity open to you, and help you think about how you can make the most of them. So it is used to identify how corporate cash resources can best be utilized to maximize the company's future growth and profitability. So these are the benefits which are there for the BCG matrix. Then comes some of the limitations. So what are the limitations? That BCG matrix uses only two dimensions: relative market share and market growth. The problem of getting data on market share and market growth is not possible, means perfection will not be there, and high market share does not mean the profits are good, and business with market share can be profitable too. So these are some of the limitations, because you are considering only the market share and market growth. So other points are not considered here. So some of the limitations are there. If the primary sources of cash for the firm are not there, so these are the some of the limitations. Though BCG matrix has its limitation, it is one of the most famous and simple portfolio planning matrix used by large companies having multi products. So the continuous whatever the role of the corporate office is, that is to identify the cash cows and positive cash flows and the resources to build the market share in question marks. Means what you want to find out the problems and get the solution to it. So what is the decision that will be taken on the basis of the analysis of this BCG matrix. So this will help the companies see. So it can be considered as one of the portfolio analysis technique. Thank you.